Hello everybody, this is Ikra from Ikra's Inside and this is gonna be my first ever vlog. So I'm super excited but I'm a little nervous too because I do not know what to say, how to do this. This is gonna be my first ever experience. So I always wanted to try vlogs, making vlogs, but I was actually waiting for the right time. And as it's September, my birthday month, so usse better kya ho sakta hai? Right? So I really wanted to shoot a vlog, my birthday vlog, let's begin with it. So there is a little disclaimer. It's 11th of September, no, it's 12th of September 2021 today, and this time I'm gonna celebrate my birthday as a pre-birthday, but I'm gonna launch this vlog on 22nd September 2021, so stay tuned. This is gonna be my first vlog, so I should give you a little introduction about myself. So my name is Ikra and I'm a business graduate. I partially live in Dubai and Karachi. Currently I'm in Karachi, and I'm the only daughter in my family. I belong to a one family. And if you'll ask about my hobbies, I love to travel, I love to explore new places, I love to try out new food, I love to shop, I love to read, and yes, I am too much into social media, I love Instagram. I actually love to stay connected and get update about the world, so I'm very much active on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, different mediums. But yeah, currently I have also started my Instagram blog, and why don't you all go and follow me there? So my blog is with the name of Ikra's Inside. Everybody knows, in my circle, in my family, everybody knows that how I'm obsessed and particular about my birthdays. September is always favorite month because it's my birthday month, and I'm very particular about my birthday, so I always try to celebrate in different ways. So this time we have decided that we're gonna celebrate my birthday on a beach. So I showed you this my backpack जो कि मैं ले जाने वाली हूँ for the picnic. इसके अंदर मैं ऑलरेडी अपने एसेंशियल्स रख चुकी हूँ, जैसे कि वाइप्स, विच इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अच्छा गाइस, मैं अपने साथ क्या लेके जा रही हूँ? मैंने मेकअप एसेंशियल एक क्विक रिव्यू दे देती हूँ. आई एम टेकिंग दिस सनस्क्रीन विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ बीच, तो रिक्वायर्ड है. कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर ले जा रही हूँ फॉर अ टचअप. देन आई एम टेकिंग दिस मस्कारा and this lip tint. So yeah, other important things which I'm taking along, one of those is this sanitizer. Sanitizers are another part of our life. So basically I'm taking this sanitizer spray because of course, by the way, मैं अपनी वैक्सीन करा चुकी हूँ and I am a proud vaccinated Pakistani citizen now. और अगर आप लोग नहीं करवा चुके हैं तो please go for it यार, don't waste the time. So yeah guys, सुबह 6 बजे जो है I'll start getting ready क्योंकि 7 बजे हम घर से निकलेंगे, एंड तब तक के लिए stay tuned क्योंकि मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ आप सबको that how I'm gonna get ready and what kind of outfit I'm gonna wear, क्योंकि वहाँ जाते ही it's gonna be my birthday celebrations. तो मैं first वहाँ जाके अपना birthday celebrate करूँगी और इसके बाद पिकनिक enjoy करूँगी. So stay tuned. अब हो चुका है रात के 3:15 और मुझे लगता है that I should sleep क्योंकि अगर मैं सोऊंगी नहीं then I'll not be fresh, और जब मैं fresh नहीं होंगी तो मैं enjoy नहीं कर पाऊँगी. So everything is just done, everything is just checked. अब टाइम है मुझे थोड़ा सोना चाहिए क्योंकि I'll get up by 5:30 in the morning and then I'll start getting ready. तो अब सोते हैं यार. So here's I'm ready guys for the celebrations. So plan ये था कि मैं जल्दी उठूँगी but unfortunately मेरी आँख नहीं खुली and I had to rush, इसलिए वो सब मैं शूट नहीं कर पाई जल्दी में. Hello, and now we are sitting in the bus and waiting for other people to come and meet everyone. Finally, Rana Khala and Hamada are here और इनकी वजह से हमने कोई 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा गाड़ी में वेट किया है. Finally they are here और अब हम चलने लगे हैं to our location. Okay, so we finally have reached to the Turtle Beach and this is gonna be our hut. And I'm going inwards, so I'll show you all how it basically looks like. So here I'm going inside. So it's a corridor. And wow, the amazing thing which we can see from here is that here we have this, a view of a sea. Wow, just look at the view. Isn't it so beautiful? This is the view from the hut we basically booked for ourselves. So now we are going upstairs. Here you guys can see we are going upstairs and then we are hut. Hi Rana, she's my Khala. Hello everybody, she's Rana Khala and she's my favorite. Okay, so this is how our penthouse or a hut looks like. So here we have this beautiful view of a sea here, and this is the corridor, and this is going to be our room. So this space is quite spacious and it's good. I'm really like it. So this is our hut. So this is my birthday cake which is ruined. So this is time to celebrate my birthday. Let's go celebrate. बहुत ज़्यादा चढ़ा हुआ है, as you all can see the lifeguard is just standing here and we are waiting कि जब पानी थोड़ा पीछे चला जाए फिर हम दोबारा से वापस जाएं। तो इट्स 4 in the evening और हमारी पिकनिक ऑलमोस्ट अपने एंड पर है। वी enjoyed thoroughly today। हम ट्राई कर रहे थे काफ़ी देर से कि हम दोबारा से पानी के अंदर जा सकें क्योंकि पानी काफ़ी चढ़ा हुआ है, लेकिन हमें अलाउ नहीं किया जा रहा। लेकिन स्टिल हम यहाँ स्टेज पे बैठ के वेव को इन्जॉय कर रहे थे। यहाँ पर बैठ के हमने वेव को काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया और बहुत मज़ा आया हमें। एंड लास्टली असद ने अभी हमें ज्वाइन किया है, वो पूरी पिकनिक से सोते रहे हैं। So now it's the time to go home. We are done with the picnic and as I've taken a shower, तो मेरे बाल जो है बहुत messed हो रहे हैं। Well, that's all for the day. We enjoyed a lot. It was so nice to be here and see पानी अभी भी चढ़ा हुआ है। But now this is time to go home. We're heading towards our home. It was a wonderful day today and we enjoyed thoroughly. और वो वहाँ पे हमारी बस खड़ी है and we are coaster and we are heading towards it and I guess that's all for the vlog.